In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my giant oyster sauce omelette rice roll. This recipe is inspired by my trip to Shanghai, where I got to try the awesome monster rice roll at Xiao Yuan restaurant. My version is filled with an unctuous oyster sauce omelette and crunchy vegetables. Super delicious and healthy. That's how I roll. So the first thing I need to do is pickle my vegetables. I've got here some cucumber julienne. In they go, into a bowl. Some julienne carrots. Now for my pickling brine, I've got here 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, a large pinch of cracked sea salt, a large pinch of caster sugar, a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, and then just give this a good mix. I'm just gonna let the vegetables pickle for literally a few minutes. I'm gonna get on with my omelette. So I've got here 1 beaten egg. I'm going to add in 1 spring onion that's finely chopped. Give that a good whisk. Next, for some seasoning, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce. And this is going to add a lovely savory and sweetness. Give this a good mix. We're ready to fry. Medium-high heat. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. Give the oil a swirl. Then in goes the beaten egg mixture. So just gently cook the omelette for a couple of minutes on each side until it's nice and golden. So I'm just going to take that off the heat. Now I'm going to get on with the rice. So I'm using 250 grams of sushi rice. Just wash it until the water runs clear. Put it into a saucepan, top it with water, bring it to the boil, lid on, cook on gentle heat for 15 minutes. So the rice is cooked, omelette's done, vegetables are pickled, it's time to roll. I've got here bamboo sushi mat. Just cover it one side with cling film. Now I'm going to fill it with rice. Now with the rice, I've just let it cool for about 15 minutes. Still a little bit warm, but it's not piping hot. Just spread it out. That looks pretty substantial to me. This is gonna be a monster. In with the egg crepe. Over the top like that. Lovely and golden with the flavor of the oyster sauce in there. Next, I'm going to add in 1 piece of nori seaweed. Finally, in with my pickled cucumbers and carrots. And this is going to give texture and crunch. Now it's time to roll. Bring this over like so. So just keep rolling away from you. Just bring 2 sides together. Fold over the cling film and then squish the ends. So you can just twist at the end and then just roll it on the board. So just to tighten that up. Perfect. And now it's time to cut. Brush a little bit of oil and then slice down the middle. Look at those layers, the rice, the oyster omelette and the pickled vegetables. So onto a plate. I'm going to serve it with Lee Kum Kee's sweet soy sauce and also Lee Kum Kee's Taldo chili oil. That's it. That's my breakfast oyster sauce omelette rice roll. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.